Hello and welcome back to another UNWINVER. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Windows 2010, an UNWINVER made by GMM on the R Project's Discord server. This UNWINVER aims to imagine what happens if Windows Lifeline continued with Windows 7 as a base, not rebranding like Windows 8, and it packed with so many features on it. What are they? Stick to the video to find out. Okay, we are in the VMware workstation in front of the virtual machine. Well, not actually virtual machine, it still hasn't been turned on or powered on yet. So, this UNWINVER, once again I will show you, is made by GMM, who also made Windows codename Garibaldi, which surprisingly is on the same line. Well, Garibaldi is based on Vista, but this is based on Windows 7. And, well, before I begin, I just want to say I opened a Q&A or question and answers in the community tab, and I hope you can send me some questions there, and I'll answer it in the video at the end of the February or January, so at the end of the month. And just subscribe, okay, for more video like this. Before we begin, let's turn on the virtual machine. So I just remade a virtual machine because the last time that I get the virtual machine, it requires me to re-entering the disk or the virtual hard disk, and it is, well, actually, what the hell is this? No. Okay, CD-ROM drive, I forgot to get that way. Okay, so Windows is loading files. Well, unlike Windows Garibaldi, which took about 3 hours to install, well, this probably like half an hour or an hour or so. Or probably, I hope it won't be that long because, goodness, I don't want that because it took so long and my hard disk is too full. Well, okay, so the boot screen is still on Windows 7 at first because maybe this is the, okay, welcome to Windows 2010. And what? Let me read it first. An unofficial version of Windows 7 developed by GMM. Okay, so apparently this operating system or this UNWINVER has been finished just in the end of the year. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, so next, install now. Welcome to Windows 2010 setup. Please wait. I love how the creator just changed the string of the setup to reference Windows 2010, but yeah, let's see. Okay, I accept license terms. Custom drive option, delete it first because we just get it to empty first. Okay, to ensure create additional partition. Next. Installing Windows, that's all the information we need right now. Your computer is now installing Windows and prompted to restart after setup completes installing all the files, features and updates to your system drive. Probably this will take quite a long time to set up. Well, now let's take a look at the clock. 4:21 PM. I'll get back as soon as possible. As soon as the setup finishes, of course. Let's go to the time lapse. Oh, okay, so it has a different kinda setup-ish. Setup is checking video performance. Okay, great. OOBE is here. Why it is here? But no worries, mate. Okay, everything Windows. A Win PC with an I not in here. Next, type your password. Laser. Next, product key. Skip because I just want to install this at one point in time, not forever. Okay, public network. Please wait. What the earth? Video on OOBE? That's great. Wow. I'm surprised. Wow. What?
Welcome to your brand new Windows 2010. Your PC is almost ready and it's time to finalize your setup. I'm here to help you walk throughout the process and get started using Windows 2010. This will take about a few minutes to finish the process of setting up your Windows, and after that, you're ready to begin.
So, it has video on the OOBE. Like, what? Wait, what? What?
And get started using Windows 2010. This will take about a few minutes to finish the process of setting up your Windows, and after that, you're ready to begin.
What? Maybe I just close this. Okay, I hope it is safe. And I don't want for the setup to interrupt things in the main machine.
After setup complete, Windows 2010 will prepare your desktop and lock you in. If you already typed your password, you don't need to enter as it will be skipped once. If you skip this, you will not be able to install programs and .NET Framework. Click Next to begin setting up your Windows 2010, or click Skip to skip and head to your desktop.
Okay, so it bundled with some daily driver programs such as Firefox. Okay, let's install this. Wow, I'm so interested with this kinda UNWINVER because it is so much clear. Okay, installing Firefox. Standard. Yep, installing Firefox. Creating a shortcut, little housekeeping. Great. Launch Firefox? No. Full bar 2000 as the audio player. I agree. Standard. Okay, full. Great. So it has some bundled software, but it doesn't count as, well, it is bloatware, but it isn't as noticeable as some bootlegs as you might expect. So now I'm installing Audacity. Next, launch Audacity? No. infra recorder. Next, I accept. Okay, next install. It finishes. Right. 7-zip install. Install next. Okay, so .NET Framework isn't installed on OBE. It is installed on. It is going to be installed on the desktop. So yeah. Okay. Sound scheme installer. Great.
Congratulations.
Setup complete.
Windows 2010.
Finish. Okay, so the audio has already been. Okay, Windows is logging in. Okay. Well, maybe I said okay too much. Okay. Right. It is. Yes. About Windows. Okay. The resolution might be too small, so let's install VMware Tools. Update VMware Tools. Okay. What the hell? Disk is full? What? Come on. Hi. Oh. Okay. Logging in. Whoa! VMware Tool seems to work already in here. Wow. Maybe right now? Let's... Oh, yeah. There is something that will show up here. Is it? Nah. Maybe. Personalize that. I want arrow in here first. Because it is better feel. Well, I don't know why Right. Now I have to... Yes! Now it is finished. Let's go to UNWINVER. Yep. Yeah. This one is based from Windows 7 Service Pack 1. Now, we're gonna be taking a look at some things. Well, you already saw it, but I just want to recast it. So now it has a different version of WinVer. Well, it actually just overlaying, or like it isn't replacing but overlaying. So it sit on top of the original UNWINVER. So this is kind of WinVer, but no, at the same time. Maximize what? Why is it going to keep it maximized? Why? No, discussed. Based on the foundation and architecture of Windows NT version 6.1, this is a base modification Windows 7 Service Pack 1. This version of Windows is only for x64 use. Windows an unofficial blah 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 and whatnot. Okay, let's close this. Well, okay, let's open the computer first. What I want to show here is it has different arrow theme, so it highlights on the top, right? And maybe exclusively for Explorer, it has this right here to cherry on the top. So in Windows 7, instead of the blue red, it shows just plain, because to like quote unquote the transparency, I guess. Well, I hope I'm correct. Okay, and if you look so careful, the taskbar, it is a bit rounded. Well, not too noticeable, but if you look very closely, it is rounded, and it has, well, different start off. Well, in Windows 7, it is only with the circle, and in here it's only the Windows logo. Let's take a look at some software that came in here, or modification, all programs. Sound Scheme Installer. Wow, what's this? Sound Scheme. So Windows Sound Scheme is set as a blah 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 blah. Two Sound Scheme are included but not installed and applied. Crystalio and Vista. Maybe let's preview first. Crystalio. Vista. Well, it basically just this Vista sound put in here. Maybe it only just the same thing after all. Yes, okay, so it using registry editor as the help. Okay, install .NET framework. Okay, this is something that I actually want to install in here because Windows 7 doesn't have one. Yes, extracting files. While it is extracting and installing, let's take a look at another software. All programs, 7-zip, of course we already know. Accessories, alarm. Wow, it includes alarm in here. About. Yes, okay. Now that yes, it is alarm, but I think this is made in Visual Basic or like WinForm based stuff, or made in Visual Studio, because I am kind of familiar with this interface. Okay, but it is still a good thing to include alarm. And what's another? Timer. Wow, timer. Okay, set the timer to 5. No, 5. Apply 5. Start 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? There is no sound? I thought it had sound in it, but no. No, I don't really think so. Well, let's jump to another. programs, accessories, calendar. Wow. Open up a full screen. Does anyone feel familiar with full screen calendar? Windows 8? Yeah, I think so. Oh, no. Nope. I thought it will jump up like, brah, like exploding in front of the screen like Metro, but no, I don't think so. But, okay, great. It jumped up to, January 1st, 1753, and as for the future, it will tell us up to... Whoa! I don't think human evolution will go this far. Wow! Okay, it is stopped on December 31st, 9998. Oh, human won't really gonna survive that long, but still a good thing. Okay, while installing, let's take a look at another. Accessories. This calendar. Well, at the bottom, full screen. What? Why? Two programs with the same aim. I don't know. Maybe I didn't know the software well enough. So, Windows Speech Converter. Okay, you're running, let's just say, everything Windows. Speak.
Everything Windows is an amazing channel.
Great! That's good! Okay, maybe let's take a look at some games, shall we? Right? Well, the only thing that turned back in Windows 7 is pinball. Wow. Pinball. Let's play some game of pinball while it is installing. I don't really good at pinball, but especially for this version. Oh no, yes. No. Let's wrap up. Okay, all programs. Windows Media Player is from the bottom. Background changer. Wow, it includes good things. Preview. Okay, stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, maybe I'll choose this one, the second. Yes. Okay, start Windows Media Player just to test drive it. Welcome to Windows Media Player. Recommended settings. Obtaining store information. Finish. Okay. Yeah. I know. Well, it doesn't really that effective if you stretch like this. I hope this one just do it like the 4:3 ratio, but yeah. What? Music in here? Music? Well, let's take later. X. So that's what background changer does. Subsystem for Unix-based applications. So this is like Windows subsystem for Linux, but it is Windows 7. What? What? Let's close this out of the way. or we'll check it out later. Maybe we take a look at theme right now. Great, it has some themes. This may be the regional one. Australia. Okay, let's get to this up. It's Sydney. It's Sydney. Right. Great. Canada. It's I don't know what the heck. United Kingdom. It's Stonehenge or Stone whatever the name is. Nassau County Museum of Art. Well, it's just a picture of a gap between the two stones. Nassau County Museum of Art characters. Great. Next desktop background. Well, maybe it includes some of that and whatnot. United States. I don't know what is this. Let's go to the South Africa, and it's a picture of an elephant. Okay, let's go to the desktop background. Maybe they add some. Maybe they add some. Okay, Windows Alpha. Some of the wallpapers. Alpha Beta. Wow. Characters. Cities. Wow, the addition of cities. Well, let's move on. Flight. Oh, Nassau County Museum, blah blah. Roller coasters. Oh yes. United States. Windows. Yeah. It includes some of the good wallpaper. Well, maybe like let's a scenario where so many backgrounds, like placeholder, like the stuff background from Windows will be so much. Hey, let's go to the control panels. It is still installing. It took so long time. User accounts and family safety. Change your account picture. Wow, wow, good. I think Windows 7 only stuck up to here, and the next one from here to here. Great. Where did the creator get the picture? Where? Well, that's certainly pretty nice. That's pretty well good. Maybe I'll choose one. Maybe chess. Classic from Windows XP. Change picture. Maybe customization up to here. Let's take a look at some sampled media from this image. Documents, of course, no, because Windows 7 doesn't have one. Sample music. Wow, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I wanna play it just a single tiny bit of it because I am warning this for copyright. Wow, this is... I think I have something familiar. Okay, maybe that's it. Picture, sample picture. There are, well, still the stock one in here. Maybe we take a dig deeper. Wow, landscape, oceans and rivers. Maybe it's oceans. This river, landscape. River, ocean, landscape. And another wall texture. What? Okay, videos, sample videos. Wow, there are some. Great, sample video. Ah. Is it just Windows 2010 all along? Oh, empty? Really? Sample video for 91. Okay, water and wind. Okay, Nassau County Museum of Art. Swans. And another. Trees. So it just tree. Okay, it's been installed. Great. Exit. Well, maybe we are coming back to the customization because maybe screensaver will do. Is there any new one? Okay, flurry. What is this? I feel this is a familiar screensaver because this is from another operating system. Maybe it's from macOS. I feel so funny that the creator include that as, I don't know if it's a mockery or just like for fun. Wow. Good. Helios. What is this? Let's take a preview. Just only bubbles all around. With wow. Okay. Let's take a look at another. Well, no, probably not. Windows. Maybe we are going deeper. Windows directory. Looking at the media. Maybe there is an oh, okay, I got one. 4 p.m. This is an example. Why is it only on the left? Yeah, maybe it's my headset. And there is maybe one thing that I missed. The legendary Windows Media Center. It's still loading. What? New sound? The best? What? Windows 2000 and oh, they are pretty down to the detail. Wow. Okay, it is still processing. What? Wow, great. Maybe I'll take a look at this later. Probably this is it. Windows 2010. I hope this well, it already been finished, so this is the final product. And this is something that actually great in case of UNWINVER. And I'll see you next time. I'll shut down the PC first. Shut down.